for all the servlets. How to declare a variable and which is available for all the servlets. So you can add n number of servlets in your application and this data can be accessed by any servlet for all the servlets. So this data will be the same. So how to declare this one? So this is also very easy. I'm going to give one more example. With the help of servlet context we can able to read or we can able to declare this kind of data. I'm going to create a new project, servlet context, next, next, finish it. And close everything, and let me copy these two servlets from servlet config and let me paste inside this one, and let me read the web.xml and web.inf plus web.xml. I will copy and I will paste inside web.inf. So we have an index file, we have a web.xml. Come back here. So now I don't want to declare these parameters inside any specific servlet. Remove it. So remove it here. So now the data whatever I'm going to declare here, it should be accessible for all the servlets. So for that purpose we are going to use a tag called context param name, param value. So this is the tag. So context param meaning all the entire application, all the servlets can able to access this value. So now let me give discount 12.5%. So this is the parameter and this is the value. At any point of time, say for instance the shop owner decided they want to give 11% discount, so they can come here and they can modify. So this parameter from all the servlets you can read, and the discount will be, you can, if you want to reduce or if you want to increase, you can come here and you can modify it out. So this is available for all the servlets. So this is the advantage. The previous example, say for instance we have a 10 malls, 10 different malls. For each mall you can maintain one different servlets. For each mall if you want to maintain a different discount, then you can declare a variable at servlet level. So then at any point of time if you want to give a different discount for a particular mall, then you can modify the, you can use the previous example, but now we want to maintain a global discount for all the malls. So that's what I'm declaring global variable, and it can be accessed from any servlet. How to access this one? So this is the second question. So come back here. So as part of the previous example, what we are doing, we are accessing servlet config and we are getting the servlet context. So from the servlet config we are going to get servlet context. So from the servlet config, I'm calling a method called servlet context, and you will get the servlet context. By using the servlet context, we are going to read the discount parameter and we are going to display it. So now let me read the same discount from the servlet 2 also. Whether we are getting same value or different value, we will see now. So So servlet context, we are getting the servlet context from the servlet config, and from servlet context I am trying to read the value. Okay, now let me deploy this one, and we will see whether we are getting same value or different value. Okay, now I'm going to give username test, some password, submit it. So you can see discount value from servlet 1 is 11.5, discount value from servlet 2 is 11.5. So this is the way we can able to maintain, or we can able to declare global variable, and it can be accessed from any servlet or across the servlets. So these two are very important. What is the difference between servlet config and servlet context? How to declare it and how to read it? It's very important question.
Did you declare the servlet context in both servlets?
Servlet context you will get from the servlet config.
Yeah, but in servlet 2, I can see that we have used servlet context. Should we use the servlet context in servlet 1 also? I think maybe I'm missing something while switching one screen to one tab to another screen.
No, no, can you please?
Could you open servlet 1?
Yeah, this is servlet one only.
Okay, maybe screen was stuck.
Oh, okay. So this is servlet one.
That's why I'm not able. Okay.
Now what you are seeing?
Now I can see servlet 2.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So you will see the same code everywhere. Servlet 1 and servlet 2, there is no difference. But you are getting same value.
Okay.
Parameter is same.
Yeah. Okay.
So because we are trying to read a global variable. So this is a global variable. This parameter value is available for all the servlets. You can declare any number of servlets, they can able to read this value.
Yep.
Simple example I told, right? Like in India, say for instance, in India, shopper stop is there. Shopper stop is available for across India. If they want to maintain same discount for all the states, they will declare this global variable. If they want to maintain a different discount for each state, then you can declare a local variable specific to a particular servlet. Then you can change the discount wherever you want. So then that will be applied to the only that particular servlet or region or place. So this is the way they will keep on changing the discount. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Say for instance, if we have more than one init parameter, so how to read it?
Are you writing anything?
What I'm saying, the second concept, say for instance, if you have,
Because hello,
yeah, tell me.
I'm not able to see any changes in the screen.
So now also you are not able to see any changes.
Yeah, screen was stuck again.
Okay, now it is fine, or still same problem?
I can't see any changes on screen. Hello.
Yeah, I think there is some network problem. That is the one. Still, I mean, it is not appearing properly
Is it still not updating?
now. Now it is fine.
No,
You can able to see the screen
and
now.
I can see the screen, but I can't see any changes. It was
Oh,
stuck.
it got stuck. Yeah, yeah. There is a problem.
Yeah,
There is a problem basically. I mean, you are not able to see the screen. Then it's no use of discussing. It's waste. I mean, you are not able to see. Then we will discuss tomorrow, maybe.
yeah, okay. Mm,
Well, because if you are not seeing the screen right, so you are not able to catch all the points.
yeah.
So I will.
And also your voice also breaking
Yeah, there is a
sometimes.
network problem. And there is a network problem.
Mm,
Even I can see my side, right?
mm,
It's displaying some warning message. It's a network issue. You will
okay.
see low performance issue something.
Mm,
There is a network issue. So tomorrow I will reiterate this point again. How to
okay.
read
Yeah,
multiple parameters.
yeah, okay.
How?
And tomorrow we can connect 7 o'clock because tomorrow I don't have class, language class.
Okay.
So we can connect at 7 o'clock if it is okay.
7 o'clock of which time? In India time or your time?
Evening time.
Yeah, fine.
Because on Tuesdays and Thursdays we are connecting 7:30.
Fine, fine. Tomorrow I'm taking leave.
Yeah.
I will. We will connect at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. of India time. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thanks.